I've grown one channel to about 77,000. I've grown another one to over 3, and then I have another one right now that's approaching 10. Can you see this little whiteboard here, Caroline?
Yeah, yeah. I'm waiting for something
Okay.
to happen. I didn't realize it was a
Cool. Yep.
whiteboard.
No, it's a big lead up. Here's how I look at YouTube, and really the way to get started in the beginning, if you want to give yourself the chance of being successful as quickly as possible. Now, YouTube is one of those things where, hey, if you just create content like we're doing with the Evolved Marketing Podcast over a year or two, it'll become something. I'm almost 100% confident in that. But if you want to accelerate your results like most people do, so you can start generating leads and growing a following as quickly as possible, this is how you have to think of YouTube. So YouTube itself, right, is inside this big square that I'm drawing here. Let's consider that all the views on YouTube. Well, you're not going to try to get every single viewer on YouTube. You're going to generally have some sort of niche, or market, right? And so you might be in the make money online space because you're promoting Legendary Marketer and you help affiliates get started. Now, if you just start making content on a brand new channel that's like how to make money online, are you ever going to rank? Probably not, because you're a brand new account with no authority, and there's, not only millions of people searching for how to make money online. We already covered that at the beginning of this podcast. That's how you started. That's how I started. So obviously there's, a bunch of people making videos. So it's going to be very hard to rank. So what you have to do is you have to go super targeted in the beginning. And so your first, let's say 5 to 10 videos, what I would do if I were you, because you're one of the top Legendary Marketer affiliates over the last 6 months, is I would start with Legendary Marketer content. We'll say Legendary Marketer review might be video number 1. And then Legendary Marketer 6-month result might be video number 2. And then it would be Legendary Marketer, story or journey or something, and do your keyword research, but start in the very smallest concentric circle here with Legendary Marketer content. That'll help get views. That'll give you an opportunity you can rank for, because this right here, Legendary Marketer 6-month result, and then you put $600,000 on the thumbnail or whatever, you have a legitimate shot at ranking number 1 for that. So that's where you want to start. And once again, 5 to 10 videos over the course of 1 to 2 months. Just however many you can think of. Now, once that's going, now you want to expand a little bit and move out. So you're going to go to the next segment of people. And hopefully you've had some authority at this point. Hopefully you have at least one of these videos that's getting search results. So next thing you do is go out to this bigger circle. And this is your affiliate marketing circle, right? So these are where you're going to create videos like how to start affiliate marketing, and is affiliate marketing legit, right? Those clickbaity videos, but now you're talking about affiliate marketing, and that's going to be your next 5 to 15 videos, because hopefully what you're trying to do is expand your channel reach. Now you're not just ranking for Legendary Marketer. Now you're ranking for affiliate marketing. And then eventually, once that starts to pick up, whether that's 5 to 15 to 30 videos, then it's like, okay, now I want to go to the make money online, how to make money online, how to make $100 a day, how to make $1,000 a day, how to make money from home, right? Once you've established your authority at that point, then you can expand out. And that's when you're going to all of a sudden hit the, that's when you're going to, make the big bucks or whatever. And that's when you're going to grow your account quickly. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully that makes sense and gives you an idea
Yeah,
where you want to go.
that was like insanely helpful.